Today I would like to show you two packages. Actually, I wanted to show you this rip-grep before, but I forgot about it actually. So the first package is OX-TWBS. It stands for OX stands for org export. So if you are working on some file in org mode and if you wanted to export the file into something with the bootstrap JavaScript package, you can use OX-TWBS. For example, this is my configuration file. If you want to install this, you have to do or use package OX-TWBS and make sure it's installed. So on the top of my configuration, I've added this line called for options to set numbers to nil. So what this will do is if I export, it will not give me not line numbers, like heading numbers for that matter. So if I hit Control C and E, if I hit Control C and Control E, it's going to bring up org export dispatcher. So inside this, I have a new option called export to TWBS HTML. So this stands for Twitter Bootstrap HTML. So here I can hit W to have this one selected, and if I need as an HTML file, I can hit H. So that one will be saved inside the .emacs directory. If I open up .emacs.t, I have this release.html. So release.org is my file name for this org buffer or my configuration, and this is the file which have been exported by Twitter Bootstrap OX-TWBS. So you can see this one is formatted like this. So if I navigate to, I just move it to my second workspace. Here you can see we have this nice JavaScript template which is from the Bootstrap library, and you can see we have this nice formatted export file of my configuration. So this works on pretty much any org file. You can choose to do this according to your liking. So that's one thing. Besides this, you can set font, all this stuff if you want. That's really up to you. So that's the first package. Let me close this one out. So the second package I would like to show you is RG or rip-grep. In order for you to use this package, first of all, you need to have rip-grep installed in your system. So the main thing about this is it's a nice search plugin for your Emacs. So here I have used package RG and make sure it's installed, and I'm just specifying the default bindings, and I'm enabling it to have menu mode. So what this does is it will enable something like maggot interface. So I'll show you in a moment. And I've set the global key configuration for rip-grep menu. So if I need to invoke rip-grep menu, Control C and S, it will open up this nice menu where you have options for selecting searching entire project, current directory. You can search literal, you can search for regular expression, stuff like that. So here I'm going to search for a literal, so I'm just going to hit T. Yeah, so I can search for something over here. So use dash package, and it's asking me in which file type I want to search. I'm going to search in an org file, and in which directory. So this file is located in my .emacs directory, so hit return, and here I have all the available candidates for the search. So if I hit Control XO to navigate to this window, I can navigate inside this. And for example, if I wanted to see my minions configuration, I can hit return and it will pull me over there. And if I need to edit something over here, I can come over here and hit E to edit the line. So after you finish your editing, you can do a Control X, Control S to save it after you edit. For example, if I need to change this to minion, I can do that. And if I want to save, I hit Control C, Control S. If I don't want to save this, I can hit Control C, Control K. So the change will be discarded. So stuff like that. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.